My name is Alberto. I attended City College from 2016 to 2018, and I earned degrees in art and art history. Attending SBCC changed my life because before I attended it, I had done a prison term of 13 years. And as soon as I got out, I realized the first thing I needed to do was get back into school. It was the only way that I thought was gonna keep me from going back to prison. And for me, SBCC was my redemption, it was my salvation. One thing I developed while incarcerated was a passion for art. And this began by cartoon drawings. I didn't really know what art was when I first started my prison term. And a lot of it had to do with escaping out of the prison cell. And I knew that these little drawings were taking me out of the space. Somehow, some way they were making the walls disappear. And I really liked that. And that led to art history books. It led to studying paintings and all of these other really great things in art. And it started from just simple cartoon drawings. And now it's become just kind of like this passion to really take it to the next level. I learned skills at the Exhibition Gallery that I felt were not art until I started applying it. And they have an internship in curating, which is kind of like putting shows on, exhibitions. So I learned something about the art world that is kind of like behind the scenes, right? So, and that led to actually having a job at the Museum of Contemporary Art in Santa Barbara. Really, it kind of led to jobs or work, which is one thing that a lot of people that end up getting out of prison, getting on parole, can't do. It's really hard for someone with a criminal background to get a job. And SBCC, the art department, the Atkinson Gallery really helped in that sense for me. But the SBCC Foundation, through their scholarships, they really motivated me in pursuing something that I felt like I couldn't obtain. For a while, I was like, this isn't for me. Why would anyone hire me? Why would this happen to me? And what the foundation does is offer these opportunities to students that are on the margins like that. They're kind of non-traditional, right? They have issues and they have things going on outside of school that's not really letting them be the best student that they could be. And the SBCC Foundation helps in that. The value of my education at SBCC, for me, has no price tag on it. When I got out, I knew that I needed an education. I needed to pursue an education that was more than what I already had. But I had no idea that through SBCC and the SBCC Foundation, what level I could reach, right? When I applied to UCLA, that was just on a whim. I thought, my heart was set on UCSB because I felt like I had earned that. And when I got accepted to UCLA, then I got accepted to UC Berkeley, then I got accepted to UC Santa Cruz. It was because of the SBCC Foundation and the SBCC faculty and the SBCC programs that really kind of pushed me over that top to get to that higher level, to motivate me to be an overachiever, right? Because that's what it really takes to get there, is to really push yourself. And programs like the Transitions program, the SBCC Foundation scholarships, those are all things that kind of build you up to become the best student that you can be. And through them, I felt that I can go wherever I want.